Hello guys. Hi. Whoa, hello. I'm Chase. I'm Rubble. Hello. I'm Ryder. What shall we do today? Ruff. What do you want to do? Hello Zuma. What do you want to do? Sky. What would you like to do? I don't know. It's a nice hot day. I think we should go to the swimming pool. Swimming pool? Yes, let's go to the swimming pool then, guys. Oh, wait. Quick, someone needs our help. Guys, quick. Someone needs our help. Quickly. Dun. Where should we go? Who should we go with? Who should we go? Who wants to help? Who can help? I am unstuck. Yes, I am unstuck in slime. He needs our help. I'll help him. I'll use my crane. But first, I need to change my outfit. Yes, now I'm ready to go. Super Pup Rubble. Yes, let's go. I just need my digger. And we're ready to go. I need someone to help me. I need some Sky. Sky, where are you? I'm gonna get inside. Sky can help me from above. Let me speak to Ryder. Ryder, what do you think? Can Sky come and help me? Yes, Sky can help you. Sky can help you from above. Yes, tell Sky to come and join me then. Sky, shout her. Sky, come on. Come on, Sky. Sky. I'm gonna come and help you from above. Let me press my button. Are you ready to go? I need help. Who's gonna get me out of this slime? Hulk, if you hadn't have got me to get this pink egg for you. I'm coming, guys. Don't worry. I need help quickly. I'm coming, guys. Don't worry. I'm on the way. Where are they? I see them. I see them down there, Rubble. Okay, Sky, I see them too. I'm landing. Hi, guys. Help me out of here. He's coming now. Rubble's got the digger. Here he is. Hey guys, you okay? Thank you. I need your help. How can I get out of here? We can get you out of here. Let's do it. I just need help. Quick, it's shaking. I need your help. You wanted to get the surprise egg. We'll get you, and then we'll get the egg. Watch yourself. Be careful. Going down. Lifting you. You okay? I'm stuck in the slime still, but I'm safe. I'm getting safe. I'm in the sword. Look. Thank you. You helped me. The egg. We want to... I'll open the egg for you. Don't worry. Oh, there we go. I'll drop it with my crane. Wow, look what was inside. That was great. You see that, Hulk? I wanted to open that egg. We wanted to open. Sorry, guys. Sorry. We're sorry. Paw Patrol, I wanted to open that egg. That was mine and Hulk's. We will get you for this. Remember us.